Hola, hi, bonjour. I'm back. Yes, I'm back to Toronto. I had a chance to go to Peru for 2 weeks and spend some quality time with close relatives and friends. When I arrived there, even though it's fall, it felt like summer. So, agacao, que calor. It was hot there. In this video, I will be sharing a typical beverage and also some photos and videos during my stay in Lima. And coming back to Toronto, the first thing that I did is going outside for a walk and try to get together with my community. So you will see tree planting events, some pick up garbage, and much more. Don't forget to visit Toronto Botanical Garden. They have this month 2 beautiful events. Today is a floral artistry from 1 to 4 p.m. And next week they have some floral decoration, if I'm not mistaken. So watch this video to find out a little bit more. See you soon. Bye. Muy refrescante. Me encanta cómo ha salido. Today, from 1 to 4 p.m., we have a floral artistry show where at Toronto Botanical Garden. Preparar esta bebida típica peruana me trae muy buenos recuerdos de mi infancia. Making this purple juice called Chicha Morada brings me back many memories from my childhood. On préparant ce beverage inca appelé Chicha Morada, j'ai beaucoup de souvenirs de mon enfance. Thank you to York University for organizing tree planting events this month. If you want to find out more, please contact Nicole. Muy activo. The homemade ice cream was so good. We also got fresh cheese, manjar blanco, and honey. We saw lizards, geese, turtles, and much more.
Dile, los helados de Perú están ricos. Muchas gracias.
Gracias, tío, dale un helado.
Want to make your own chocolate? Visit the Choco Museo in Miraflores. They speak many languages and they will teach you the basics on how to make and enjoy your own chocolate. Bien, vamos a entrar al túnel. Felicidades en este día.